Isaiah 41 verse 10, So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7, For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. Joshua 1 verse 9, Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Psalm 56 verse 3, When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. Romans 8 verse 15, The Spirit you received does not make you slaves, so that you live in fear again. Rather, the Spirit you received brought about your adoption to sonship. 1 John 4 verse 18, There is no fear in love. But perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Psalm 34 verse 4, I sought the Lord, and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. Isaiah 43 verse 1, Do not fear, for I have redeemed you. I have summoned you by name. You are mine. Mark 5 verse 36, Jesus told him, Don't be afraid, just believe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.